I did do a little scrolling with the, I did make a little animation with this, but I just wanted to kind of move it around in person. I think this is kind of cool. Yeah, you can almost make out the books in my room. Interesting. So the repository that I used to make this is the Slammer, as it was pronounced, and it is a pretty cool one to work with. It really takes a lot of effort to build, and you also need a decent GPU with the way this one's configured. One of the things I was able to do is replace every time it said CUDA in the script with CPU, and then I was able to get it to work on my CPU. Now, the reason I wanted that is because I only got 8 gigabytes of RAM, which was about, I want to say, 600 frames of video. And when I moved it to my normal 16 gigabyte RAM, it was, well, you know, around 1,100. So yeah, it's a pretty nice repository.